National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Shelby County, southern Rush County, Decatur County, southern Johnson County, northern Bartholomew County, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Shelbyville to near Franklin, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Shelbyville, Franklin, Greensburg, Adams, Edinburgh, Hope, Flat Rock, Milford, Princes Lakes, Geneva, Trafalgar, St. Paul, Hartsville, Milroy, Clifford, New Bern, Waldron, Moscow, and Manila. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 73 and 89. Interstate 74 between mile markers 114 and 144. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, Johnson, Rush, and Shelby. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.